Rotec Engineering in Evesham. Now they've gone the next step, robots, automation. Now this is your third?
Yeah, third robot.
And more to come as well, I think.
Yeah, I think we've got at least one more planned anyway.
Okay. Now they are from Halter, people might not have heard of them, but they've been going about 5 years, I understand. Why do you like them?
They're just very versatile and very quick and simplistic to get going.
There you go, nice. When you say versatile, what do you mean by that though?
I can move them from machine to machine, so I'm not restricted to it being just on the one machine. I can move it to various other machines in the factory as long as they've been interfaced with the robot.
Right, okay, that's interesting. So the robot, I was just looking down here, the robot arm is actually linked to the cell there, not to the floor.
Yeah, well, they're individually put in. They've got feet on the floor where we can relocate them, and it's literally as simple as unplug them, pump truck underneath it, move it to the next machine, relocate it onto the feet, plug it back in, tell it's on that machine, and away you go, you're up and running, and you've got a robot on that machine now.
Okay, so the theme with Halter is automation made easy. So you're running from this machine here, which is an Nakamura, which you're fixed head turning.
Yep.
I'm thinking, well, I want to do some milling tomorrow or later on.
Yeah, easy enough. We just pick it up, move it onto one of our milling machines. We've got 3 fingers on here at the minute for turning machine. We can just easily change that for a 2-fingered one to pick up prismatic parts. And there you go, back onto milling.
So again, automation made easy. Okay, but I'm looking here then, like the loading pallet, whatever you want to call it. It's on a table. You can load. How does that work?
So we've got basically you've got a mobile pallet changer. So you can you've got a work side and you've got a loading side. So you've got one side which you're working away, with the robot picking up parts off it, and on the opposite side you've got a loading side where you put your new part, replace the parts and put new parts down. Okay.
Now this is for, well, turn and mill parts, but we can have a stacker as well.
Yeah, we've got a stacker unit. I believe we got one of them on order. Okay. So again, similar sort of style where you've got a loading side and a working side, and you can just basically, as it says, stack them up.
Again, nice and simple. Automation made easy.
Yeah.
Theme here.
Nice and easy.
Okay. Now, you've obviously purchased a machine, well, 1 or 2 years ago, and you're on your 4th one. But what about integrating with the machine? Is that easy? Will they fit on any machine?
I've been told they do, and we've proved that they kind of do. We've got a good mix of varying machines here. We've got Nakamuras and all sorts, which we're fitting them on, but equally they're going on to the DMG Mori machines also, and yeah, we'll basically fit on anything. Okay.
Now, Ollie, you're an experienced engineer, but how easy is it to learn to program this machine?
It's really simple. You can teach you in 10 minutes. It's literally a few questions and answers. Right. What shape is the part? Oh, it's a round part. What diameter is it? 50 mil. Put in 50 mil. How tall is it? 100 mil tall. 100 mil tall. Yeah. How far is it stuck out from the jaw? 20 mil. Yeah. How long is the jaw depth? 10 mil. Yeah. And that's pretty much it.
Right. So, well, again, guess what I'm going to say? Automation made easy.
Very easy.
Okay, so fantastic. Obviously, love the machines. Quick summary then, Ollie, of the machines.
Great machine, really versatile, easy to use, program it in about 10 minutes. There's nothing more to be said. It's just.
I think one more thing, automation made easy. Ollie, thank you very much.
No worries.